Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open by crafting a tight profile that tells hiring managers what you deliver and why you fit. Explain one core strength and two measurable results. This primes readers and ATS scans. Once done, compile 6 to 8 accomplishments with numbers, percentages, dollars, or time, so claims feel real. Then extract 5 keywords from target job postings and plant them naturally. Make sure to balance specificity with brevity, so the rest of the CV proves the summary. You continue by structuring the main body for clarity and credibility. For each job, use an action verb, explain the task, and finish with a measurable result. This keeps bullets focused and persuasive. Once you have that, prioritize recent and relevant roles and keep 3 to 6 bullets per position to avoid clutter. Make sure to separate technical skills, tools, and soft skills with brief proficiency markers. That helps recruiters immediately see capability gaps or matches. You finish by tailoring and validating the document so it actually works. Produce an ATS-optimized copy with plain formatting and a human-friendly copy with clear headings and visual hierarchy. Once formatted, run an ATS check, trim jargon, and ensure 10 to 12 role-specific keywords remain. Then proofread in 3 passes: structure, grammar, tone, read it aloud, and ask a colleague or mentor for one focused review. If an employer says your CV isn't picked up, review keywords and format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.